Good morning children, this is Priya from Vignan class 3. Today we are going to learn about numbers. Today our topic name is numbers. Before going to start this class, let us recall. Children, already we know that one. In the previous class, already we have learned how to form a 4-digit number using different places. Let us take one example. Children, is this a how many digit number? 4-digit numbers. So, what are the places we are using to write this 4-digit number? Can anybody tell? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. If you observe this 4-digit number, what is the highest place in this number? 1000. So, a 4-digit number begins with which place? Thousands place. Today, we are going to learn about how to read and write the 4-digit numbers. Children, can you say where do we see these 4-digit numbers in our day-to-day life? For example, let us consider your date of birth. For example, your date of birth is 2006. So, to write your date of birth, how many digits we are writing? 4 digits we are writing. Okay. One more example. In this date of birth, how many digits we are using? 4 digits using. So, not only this birth of years, we can see the number plate of a vehicle. So, what can you notice from the number plate? We can see the numbers. What we can see? Some numbers. Do you observe, children? Is these numbers are written in figures or words? Figures. So, is this number have how many digits? This number have 4 digits. So, a number plate have 4-digit numbers. Let us take one example here. This number has how many ones? This number has 7 ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds and 4 thousands. Here we can see one place value chart. This number which is represented in the place value chart as shown here. So how many ones are there in this number? 7 ones. We are placing the digits according to these places. We are placing these digits according to these places. So 6 tens are there. Here 5 hundreds are there. Here 4 thousands are there. So, how to read this 4-digit number using these places? We can read this 4-digit number as 4567. How we are reading? 4567. While you are reading a 4-digit number, we should read the thousands digit alone and the hundreds place digit alone, and the last 2 digits we are reading together. Can we write this 4-digit number in word form? Is it possible? Yes, we can write the 4-digit number in word form also. If you take the same example here, we can write this 4-digit in word form. So, how to write? This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. How to read? 4,000 500 and 67. So here one thing you observe, children, we are writing the same number in 2 forms. One is in figure form, one is in word form. If you write any number in figure form, we call it as notation form. What do we call? Notation form. If you write any number in words, we are calling as numeration form. Okay, so we can represent the number in 2 ways, either in notation form or in numeration form. This notation form also we call it as standard form. What do we call? Standard form. Now, So already in the previous class we discussed numbers are endless. We can write the unlimited number of numbers. So this number have only 4 digits. The number is not end with only 4 digits. Sometimes we may need to read more than these 4 digit numbers. This beyond 4 digit numbers. At that time we use this place value chart. Why do we use this place value chart? We use this place value chart to read and to make it easy to read and write the large numbers. For example, if you take one 4 digit number here. So write this 4 digit number in place value chart. How many ones are there? 5 ones are there. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. Here 300, here 2000. So if you observe this place value chart, the number is divided into some groups. So a place value chart has been divided into or split into some groups is called the periods. If you observe this place value chart, the first 3 places from right make into one group. The name of this group is ones period. The name of this period is ones period. After that 2 places make into one group, the name of that group is thousands period. What do we call? Thousands period. So observe here children, we are dividing this number into some groups. Each group have some places. So the first 3 places from right make into one group. The name of that group is ones group, ones period. Here the ones period have how many places? 3 places. What are that 3 places? Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. The next 2 places make into one group. The name of that group is thousands period. So the thousands period have how many places? 2 places. What are that 2 places? Thousands place and 10,000s place.